If you're preparing for the EA exam, you've probably heard of Becker. They're one of the biggest names in exam prep, especially in accounting and tax. But is their EA review course actually worth it? Let's find out. Becker has been around for over 60 years, and as the CPA prep king, has helped a lot of people pass their exams. But how does their EA course stack up against other options? Well, today we are unboxing it, breaking down what's inside, and giving you an honest look at whether it's as good as the other courses. Now, first up, textbooks. Becker's EA Review comes with 3 digital textbooks covering all 3 exam sections. Now, if you prefer physical books like these ones, they are included in there as well in their comprehensive Pro package. And the layout is structured and easy to follow, which helps since tax law isn't exactly light reading. Lecture videos. Now, if you're a visual learner like me, then you're probably wondering how their videos stack up. Becker includes video lectures by actual enrolled agents, Ricardo Buenrostro, Agel Casio, and Mike Potenza. And these aren't just slides with voiceovers, they actually break down tax concepts in a way that makes sense. And compared to some competitors' EA courses, Becker takes a more detailed approach with their lecture videos. For instance, Fast Forward Academy's videos tend to be shorter, while Becker's videos are great if you need the extra explanation on tricky topics. And one of Becker's biggest selling points is its question bank, over 3,000 multiple choice questions. And let me be clear, these aren't just random questions, they're designed to reflect the real exam. Plus, Becker's adaptive tech tracks your weak areas and adjusts accordingly. Other courses like Surgent also use adaptive learning, but Becker's tends to be more structured. And this is something I like because having a guided study plan makes sure that I'm covering everything without getting super overwhelmed. Now, some courses leave too much up to the student, which works for some learners, but can be tough if you need a clear roadmap to follow. Simulated exams. Full-length simulated exams are a big plus. They mimic the real exam experience, so by test day, you're not walking in blind. Some students might prefer Gleim's approach, which includes detailed performance analytics after each practice test. But if you want a realistic practice experience that will prepare you for exactly how things will go on exam day, then Becker definitely delivers. Now, if you are a procrastinator or just like having a study schedule, Becker's customizable planner adjusts to your target exam date and weekly availability. It breaks down topics, tracks progress, and it keeps you on pace. Other courses like Fast Forward Academy offer similar tools, but Becker's seamless integration makes it easy to switch between your schedule, practice questions, and lectures without the hassle. And for a quick review, Becker includes digital flashcards. They also have videos that break down IRS tax forms, which is super helpful if you're a visual learner. And not all EA courses offer this, so it's a really nice extra feature. The Becker EA Pro package retails for $799 and comes packed with everything that you need to exceed, including those printed textbooks, a pass guarantee, unlimited access until you pass, and a free EACE ethics course. They do offer a 14-day free trial, so you can test it before committing. And some competitors like Surgent also offer free trials, but they're much shorter. Now, here's how Becker compares to other EA courses. Pros. Becker provides a structured and comprehensive study plan. It's great if you prefer clear guidance instead of figuring it out on your own. The video lectures are led by real tax professionals. They break down complex topics in a way that actually makes sense. The course includes over 3,000 multiple choice questions. The adaptive technology helps you focus on areas where you need the most improvement. Full-length simulated exams closely mirror the real EA exam. They help you build confidence and reduce test day surprises. The customizable study planner keeps you on track. It adjusts to your schedule and integrates seamlessly with the platform. Becker also includes tax form walkthroughs. Now, these videos break down key IRS forms, which many other courses don't offer. They have unlimited academic support, so if you're stuck on a tricky concept, Becker's EA subject matter experts are available 365 days a year to answer your questions. And 97% of inquiries are answered in just under 24 hours, and 85% in under 12. It's no bots, just real experts ready to help you master the material. The only con I can see is that Becker is new to the EA prep space. Even though they're an industry leader in CPA prep and known for top-tier resources, they're still building their reputation in the enrolled agent world. That said, with their expert instructors, adaptive tech, and even the comprehensive support, they're already setting a very high bar. Final thoughts. Now, at the end of the day, finding the right EA prep course depends on what works best for you. But if you want a structured, no guesswork study plan, then Becker is a strong option. The expert-led videos actually explain things instead of just reading off the slides, and the adaptive tech keeps you focused on what you need to improve, and the practice exams feel like the real deal. So what do you think? Have you ever tried Becker or any other EA review course? Drop your thoughts in the comments. I would love to hear what is working or not working for you. And if this review helped, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll be covering even more EA prep options soon, so stay tuned. All right, future EAs, good luck with your studies, and I will see you in the next video.